Malica Patrol is once again on the hunt for the best Malica in Ljubljana. And today we're visiting Flying Smoker. This is more of a diner than a restaurant, so you have to lower your expectations when it comes to interior. But let me tell you, the BBQ snack bar vibe is definitely there. The furniture, the design, the outdoor terrace. Of course, there are a few unfinished details like the ceiling. For that, my rating is 8. Now the menu, they offer 8 different Malica options, with prices ranging from 9.5 to 13 euros. One thing to note, soup is not included here. I went for the grilled chicken for just 10 euros. And look at this beauty. Even the salad was tasty and not boring at all. And yes, Coca-Cola again, call me. The portion was huge. Chicken, potatoes, and sauce. You don't get that often. And most importantly, it was delicious. For the food, I'm giving it a solid 10. So overall, Flying Smoker gets 9 out of 10 from me. Definitely worth visiting for Malica.